Tags are great to search clips in your Premiere Pro project easily. Here I imported the entire stock sound effects collection included in Adobe Creative Cloud, for example. And if I search in my project for animal, all animal sounds show up instantly. Now for those sounds, the term animal is already in the item name, but you can see that these clips here popped up after the search for animal too, although they don't have it in their name. But if we right-click on the title row here and choose Metadata Display, in the section Dublin Core, you can check the option Keywords, and if we now click OK, you can see that the clips actually have the keyword animals annotated, and that's why they are found in the search. Now, Adobe stock sound effects come with all these keywords annotated for you already, but if you want to use keywords with your own footage, you can add keywords to those clips too. Of course, you can modify the entries directly here in the list, but this is very tedious since you cannot manipulate multiple entries at once. Fortunately, in the Automation Blocks library, we have the tool Add or Remove Keywords. Let's say we had 2 different days of shooting and all those entries ASC 101 up to ASC 109 have been recorded on day 1. To add this as a tag, we just enter day 1 here and run the tool. As you can see, the tag has now been added to all currently selected clips. Also note that day 1 has been inserted between the tags Africa and Landscape, since Automation Blocks keeps the tags sorted unless you disable this checkbox here. If you run the tool again, you can see that the keyword has not been added a second time, since Automation Blocks avoids duplicates automatically. Let's say we made a mistake and ASC 108 and 109 have actually been recorded on day 2. Then we can simply choose Remove here to run the tool again, and now the tag day 1 is removed from all selected items. If you choose the operation Clear and Add, it adds the given keywords but also removes any other keywords which have been annotated before. So if we now enter day 2 and run the tool, you see that day 2 is now the only tag of all selected items. You can also use this option to clear all tags. Just enter no keywords, run the tool again, and everything is cleared now. All of this also works with several tags at once. So if I enter here landscape, Africa, for example, you can see that both tags are inserted and are also sorted alphabetically during this process. So that's how easily you can tag clips with keywords with Automation Blocks. This is just one of many tools which help you to work in Premiere Pro efficiently. So please download the free trial, browse the library to see which tools look interesting to you, and if you want to learn more about a particular tool, just select it and click the Help button. I'm Matthias for mamoworld.com, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next tutorial.